Are you looking for a roof replacement in Wesley Chapel, Florida? Learn about the excellent residential and commercial roofing services provided by Classic Roofing and Construction in Wesley Chapel, Florida. With over 20 years of serving most of Florida, experience the exceptional roofing services provided by Classic Roofing and Construction. Classic Roofing and Construction has established a reputation for excellence in residential roofing services. From installations to repairs, we have got you covered. Looking for top-notch commercial roofing services? Look no further. Classic Roofing and Construction brings technical expertise and honest care to every commercial roofing project. At Classic Roofing and Construction, we believe in providing individualized service and honest care to every customer. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Ready to experience the quality of Classic Roofing and Construction? Contact us today for all your residential and commercial roofing needs. Over 380 5-star Google reviews.